Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 19, Leçon M, and we'll see together in this lesson les verbes du troisième groupe, and more precisely we'll see together how to conjugate the verbs that are ending with DRE and INDRE at the present form, because they can be quite tricky. Okay, so let's start. So the first group, I thought it might be interesting to take a quite common verb, attendre. And attendre means to wait, okay, so attendre. And for the second group, so the INDRE group, we'll see the verb craindre. Craindre is to fear, okay, so attendre and then craindre. Okay, but then let's start with attendre. So basically you've got your ending DRE, okay, so the verb is attendre, and the thing that you get to keep in mind is that in that case you will take RE away, okay, so you will get j'attends, and then for tu it will be tu attends, for il, elle, il attend, for nous, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. Okay, so if you look carefully, basically you can see that the infinitive form is attendre, okay, and as I told you, then you take this RE away, okay, so you will get this form ATTEND, and after that you will basically add the endings. So for je it will be S, okay, and that's the reason why you've got this attend like that, so D, and then you just add this S. For tu it will be also S, okay, same form. Then for il, elle, don't put anything, okay, so that's the reason why you get the basic form. Then for nous, the classic ending ONS, okay. For vous, you will have EZ, okay, so that's the reason why you get this attendez form. And for il, elle, you will get ENT. Okay, so that's the way that, well, these verbs ending with DRE will be conjugated. Okay, so you get j'attends, tu attends, il attend, elle attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. All right? And, well, if you think about the verb attendre in that case, let's see the verbs that will be conjugated like attendre. Okay, so répondre, for instance, confondre, descendre, défendre, entendre, perdre, prétendre, rendre, répandre, tendre, vendre, and other verbs as well. Okay, but I cannot make the full list. Okay, so these verbs will be conjugated like attendre. Okay, but then I'm pretty sure that well, you are expecting some translations here. Okay, so that's the reason why they are coming now. So répondre, it's to answer. Okay, confondre, to get mixed up, descendre, to go down, défendre, defend, entendre, to hear, perdre, to lose, prétendre, to claim, rendre, to give back, répandre, to spread, tendre, to stretch, and then vendre, to sell. Okay, so these verbs will actually be conjugated just like attendre was conjugated a few minutes ago. Okay, so répondre, confondre, descendre, défendre, entendre, perdre, prétendre, rendre, répandre, tendre, and then vendre. Okay, but as you know, like almost all the time in French, we've got some exceptions. Okay, and of course the verb prendre, and it's quite used because it means to take, is an exception. Okay, so even if it's ending with DRE, well, basically it won't behave like attendre that we saw previously. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So DRE, prendre, you've got to remember that the forms will go like that. Je prends, tu prends, il, elle prend, nous prenons, and here you can see the difference. Vous prenez, and the last one is quite tricky because it's ils, elles prennent. Okay, so basically you double the N here, and it will give you well, different sound here because you get to open the sound, so it's prêt, prennent. Okay, so let's see that one more time. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend. So if we look carefully, actually we get, I mean, these forms are pronounced the same. Okay, then we've got nous prenons. Okay, keep in mind that you should pronounce it prenons, vous prenez, and then the last one, the tricky one, ils prennent. Okay, ils prennent. All right. So basically, remember that prenons, prenez, and then prennent will be different as well the forms that we had for attendre, for instance. Okay, and well, when we speak about prendre, actually we've got the verbs apprendre, comprendre, entreprendre, reprendre, surprendre, and few others. And these verbs will actually be conjugated as prendre. All right, so let's see what they mean. Apprendre means to learn, comprendre, understand, entreprendre, begin doing something, reprendre, to take again or to take back, and then surprendre, surprise. Okay, so keep in mind that these verbs will actually be conjugated like prendre. All right, and so now let's see the second main category that we had, and it's indre, and the verb, the example that we will take is craindre, and craindre means to fear. Je crains, tu crains, il craint, elle craint, nous craignons, vous craignez, ils craignent, elles craignent. Okay, so you can see that for nous, vous, and then il, elle at the plural form, it is quite tricky because you've got this gn coming right here, and then the sound is craignons. Okay, you get the ñ sound. Okay, craignons, craignez, craignent. Okay, but then if you remember to put it here, so the good news they say is that it will come for nous, it will come for vous, and then it will come for il, elle at the plural form. So je crains, tu crains, il craint, elle craint, nous craignons, vous craignez, ils craignent, elles craignent. All right, so keep in mind that ending will be S, S, and then T. Okay, but then phonetically, as you know, you pronounce them the same. Craint, craint, craint. Okay, then ONS, craignons, craignez, EZ, and then craignent, ENT. And of course, we'll see few verbs that will be conjugated like craindre, and they are atteindre, contraindre, éteindre, joindre, peindre, plaindre, teindre, and few others. Okay, so atteindre, contraindre, éteindre, joindre, peindre, plaindre, teindre. And so let's see what they mean. Atteindre, it's to reach. Contraindre, force, constrain. Éteindre, turn off. Joindre, join, combine. Peindre, paint. Plaindre, pity, complain. And then teindre, die. Okay, and so keep in mind that these verbs will be actually conjugated the same way as craindre is conjugated. All right.